Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to share a Trello board quickly and easily. First, open your browser and go to Trello's official website at trello.com. Make sure you're logged in using your preferred method, whether that's Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack, or email. Next, navigate to the board you want to share. If you have many boards, use the search function to find it quickly. In the upper right corner of the board, click the Share button. This is where you can invite others to collaborate. Now add members by entering their Trello username or email address. You can also search for friends by name if they're connected on Trello. Adjust their permissions according to your needs. You can make them full members with editing rights or observers who can only view the board. For large teams, you can add multiple members at once by separating their usernames or emails with semicolons. And that's it. Your Trello board is now ready to be shared for effective collaboration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.